In this video, you'll learn how to view your saved sellers on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to access your list of preferred sellers, making it easier to find items from trusted sources. Start by opening the eBay website or mobile application on your device. If you are using a web browser, type in the eBay URL and press enter. For mobile users, locate the eBay app on your device and tap to open it. Once the site or app loads, look for the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the web page or within the app interface. Enter your email and password linked to your eBay account, then click or tap sign in to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This section serves as the central hub for managing purchases, messages, and saved items. To find your saved sellers, look for the option labeled My eBay in the main menu. This may be represented as a drop-down menu or a section on the home page. Depending on your device, click on My eBay to proceed. Next, navigate to the Save section within your account. Look for options related to saved searches or sellers. You should find a link or button labeled Saved Sellers or Followed Sellers. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated page displaying a list of sellers you have previously saved. You will see their store names and may notice any active listings they currently have available. This feature allows you to quickly return to your preferred sellers. Once the Saved Sellers page opens, you can browse through all the sellers you follow. To view a specific seller's store, simply click on their name. This action will direct you to their store page, where you can explore their listings. If you decide that you no longer wish to follow a particular seller, look for an option to remove them from your saved list, which is often represented by an unfollow button or a trash icon. Regularly managing your saved sellers helps keep your shopping experience organized and efficient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.